CBSE Class 10 Computer Applications Exam 2024. Most important questions answers for last-minute revision. Therefore, we have introduced students to the best last-minute revision tool, the most important questions. In this article, we have provided questions based on practice papers for CBSE Class 10 Computer Applications Exam in 2024. Students can solve these questions, which were developed by subject experts. Through solving these practice paper questions, students will also be able to develop an efficient time management strategy and will be able to take the exam with more confidence. Let's start. 1. Which of the following not a factor of digital divide? A. Digital literacy. B. Economic inequality. C. Technology gap. D. Software licensing. Ans. D. Software licensing. 2. Website https://digilocker.gov.in comes under which of the following category? A. E-commerce. B. E-reservation. C. E-governance. D. E-banking. Ans. C. E-governance. 3. Which one of the following is not a search engine? A. Google. B. Bing. C. AltaVista. D. Firefox. Ans. D. Firefox. 4. What is the full form of SSH protocol? A. Secure Socket Handshake Protocol. B. Socket Secure Shell Protocol. C. Shell Socket Secure Protocol. D. Secure Shell Protocol. Ans. D. Secure Shell Protocol. 5. The first page of website is called _____________________________________________________________________________________________________________ B. House page. C. Home page. D. Multimedia page. Ans. C. Home page. 6. Which of the following is an open source software? A. Microsoft Edge. B. Mozilla Firefox. C. Google Chrome. D. Safari. Ans. B. Mozilla Firefox. 7. The HTML tag used to make the text character appearance as superscript. A. Sub. B. P. C. S. D. Sub. Ans. D. Sub. 8. Which HTML tag is used to create heading in a table? A. TD type is equal to heading. B. Period. C. Head. D. Nth. Ans. D. Nth. 9. The commonly used extensions of HTML file is are A. .htm. B. .html. C. .xml. D. Both A and B. Ans. D. Both A and B. 10. The embed tag element is used in HTML to attach which type of file? A. Image only. B. Video only. C. Audio only. D. Image, video and audio. Ans. D. Image, video and audio. Questions No. 11 and 12 are assertion and reason types. Each question consists of two statements, namely, assertion, A, and reason, R. Select the most suitable option considering the assertion and reason. 11. Assertion, A. Patents comes under IPR, intellectual property rights. Reason, R. Patent is exclusive right granted to the user for an invention. A. Both assertion, A, and reason, R, are true and reason, R, is a correct explanation of assertion, A. B. Both assertion, A, and reason, R, are true but reason, R, is not a correct explanation of assertion, A. C. Assertion, A, is true and reason, R, is false. D. Assertion, A, is false and reason, R, is true. Ans. A. Both assertion, A, and reason, R, are true and reason, R, is a correct explanation of assertion, A. 12. Assertion, A. Net banking frauds can be classified as cyber crimes. Reason, R. Net banking frauds includes the use of internet. A. Both assertion, A, and reason, R, are true and reason, R, is a correct explanation of assertion, A. B. Both assertion, A, and reason, R, are true but reason, R, is not a correct explanation of assertion, A. C. Assertion, A, is true and reason, R, is false. D. Assertion, A, is false and reason, R, is true. Ans. A. Both assertion, A, and reason, R, are true and reason, R, is a correct explanation of assertion, A. 13. Define the following terms. A. IPR. B. Open source software. Ans. A. IPR, intellectual property rights, are the rights given to one persons over the creations of their minds. There are several types of intellectual property rights like patent, copyright, and trademark, etc. B. Open source software, OSS, is a software whose source code is available in the public domain. 14. Name any two major e-governance projects in India. Ans. Any two e-governance projects. 1. National Scholarship Portal. 2. MyGov Initiative. 3. DigiLocker. 4. Income Tax. 5. RTI. 15. Explain the term remote login. Name the protocol used for remote login. ANS. Remote login. It allows users to access services, software database or any other application hosted on a remote computer. Protocol. Telnet. 16. Mention HTML code to display the following formula equation in a web page. I. H2 so 4. 2. A plus B. 2 is equal to a 2 plus B 2 plus 2AB. ANS. I. H. Sub. 2. Sub. So. Sub. 4. Sub. 2. A plus B. Sub. 2. Sub. Is equal to A. Sub. 2. Sub. Plus B. Sub. 2. Sub. Plus 2AB. 17. What is margin and float with respect to CSS? ANS. CSS margin properties enables to create space around an HTML element. Syntax. P style is equal to margin, value, text, P. The float property in CSS is used for positioning and formatting content. It specifies whether an element should float to the left, right, or not at all. Syntax. Int style is equal to float, values, src is equal to filename.jpg. P. Text, P. 18. What are heading tags in HTML? Write HTML statement, S, to illustrate the usage of these tags. ANS. An HTML heading tag is used to define the headings of a page. There are 6 levels of headings defined by HTML. These 6 heading elements are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, with H1 being the highest level and H6 being the least. H1, heading 1, H1. H2, heading 2, H2. H3, heading 3, H3. 19. Priya, a student of class X, is not aware about use of HTML and CSS. Help her by telling anyone use of HTML and CSS each. ANS. HTML is a markup language used to create static web pages. CSS is cascading style sheets and is used to style web pages. 20. Sam, a newly appointed web designer in a software company, designs a web page. Help him in getting the following tasks done correctly. I. If he wants to change the name of the font type, for certain text, which attribute of the font tag he should use or refer. 2. If he needs to insert an image, logo.jpg, into a web page, suggest the tag which he should use. 3. If he needs to link a web page to another web page, suggest the tag which he should use. ANS. I. Font tag with face attribute can be used to change the font type. Syntax. Font face is equal to Times New Roman, computer application, font. 2. In src is equal to logo.jpg, height is equal to 100, width is equal to 200. 3. A ref is equal to eternalinkingpage.html, click here, A. 21. Consider the URL, https://www.python.org and answer the following questions. A. Which component identifies the type of protocol? B. What is the significance of S in HTTPS? C. What does www stand for? ANS. A. HTTPS. B. Secure transmission. C. World Wide Web. 22. Paradi, a student of class X, wants to align text in center using CSS but she does not know the syntax for the same. Help her to align text to center. ANS. P style, text align, center. This text is center aligned. P. 23. Raju wants to write the HTML code to generate a web page with the following specifications. Times title of the page should be Coding Skill Subject as per NEP 2020. Times the background color should be green. Times web page should display content text as NEP 2020 suggests coding skill subjects to be implemented from early education, as H1 heading with style color white. Help Raju to generate a web page with above specifications. ANS. HTML. Head. Title, Coding Skill Subject as per NEP 2020. Title. Head. Body color is equal to green. H1 style is equal to color white. NEP 2020 suggests coding skill subjects to be implemented from early education. H1. Body. 24. Write the HTML code to design the web page as shown. ANS. HTML code to design form. HTML, head, title, application, title, head, body. Form color is equal to lime. H1, application form, H1, BR. Username, input type is equal to text, name is equal to enam1. Size is equal to 30, value is equal to enter username, BR. Hobbies, BR. Input type is equal to checkbox, name is equal to, hobbies. Value is equal to, reading, checked, reading, BR. Input type is equal to, checkbox, name is equal to, hobbies. Value is equal to, traveling, traveling, BR. Input type is equal to, checkbox, name is equal to, hobbies. Value is equal to, playing games, BR. Input type is equal to, checkbox, name is equal to, hobbies. Value is equal to, singing and dancing, dancing, BR. Select stream, select name is equal to, list name. Option, science. Option, commerce. Option, humanities. Select, BR. Input type is equal to, button, name is equal to, button, value is equal to, submit. Form, body. 25 case study, 1. Mr. Nirbhik is working as a zonal manager in ABF Ltd Bank posted in the Nagpur. He wants to hold an online review meeting with branch managers working under his zone. A. Which web service Mr. Nirbhik should use to communicate with branch managers in online face-to-face mode? B. Mr. Nirbhik also wants to send an email to branch managers requesting them to prepare the balance sheet. Which network protocol is involved during this email communication? C. Mr. Nirbhik needs to send some high-security documents to branch managers. He uses an application which supports the protocol. D. In order to gather some information on latest accounting trends, Mr. Nirbhik has to do some research. He can do this by locating sites online using a Ans. A. Video conferencing or VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, service. B. SMTP or POP3. C. Secure Shell, SSH, protocol. D. Search engine. 26 case study, 2. Consider the following scenario and answer the questions which follow. A student Natik is expected to write a research paper on a particular topic. The student had a friend Jatik who took a similar class 5 years ago. The student asks Jatik for a copy of his paper and submitted the entire paper as his own research work. A. Has Natik done the right thing? B. Which activity does appropriately categorizes the act of Natik? C. What kind of offense is made by the student Natik? Explain patent with respect to IPR, intellectual property rights. D. Suggest 2 cyber ethics that Natik should be aware of. Ans. A. No, it is not the right act. B. This act is called plagiarism. C. Violation of copyright, IPR, intellectual property rights. Patent. A patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention. Generally speaking, a patent provides the patent owner with the right to decide how, or whether, the invention can be used by others. D. Any 2 netiquettes. Times he should not violate copyright. Times he should give credit to the author and takes proper. Times permission from author before submission of own work with its usage.